Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Misbhv mini bag review as part of my bag review kind of series. Seems like you guys really enjoy watching them. So my recent ones that I filmed were on my Diesel bag review as well as the Vivian Westwood bag review. And today I'm going to be doing a little mini Misbhv bag review. I love this bag so much. So cute. When I first laid my eyes on it, guys, I was like, that needs to be mine because it's just so me. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get straight into the video because clearly I'm excited to talk about it. But so just kind of read a little bit of the details as well as my usage and how well I like using this bag overall, because I've had it for a couple months already. I've had it since the end of 2022. I've had it for a couple months. So this is the Misbhv Black Monogram shoulder bag. First of all, I love the brand Misbhv. I think they're so cute, and I just feel like Diesel, how their logo and their rebrand, they really focus on the D. I love how Misbhv, the logo, and just, their entire brand identity is an M. M is for Maggie as well. So I love, the letter M, and just the fact that the entire branding is M is just calling my name basically. But yeah, so I think I got it off of Farfetch, but Essence has it too. I remember when I really wanted it, Essence didn't carry the black one. They did carry the other one, which is what's it called? The beige one, the beige monogram. But I really wanted the black one, and I think I got it in the size medium or something, so I wanted it to be. But anyways, let me just read a little bit of the details. This is the canvas shoulder bag in black, jacquard logo pattern, and grain leather trim throughout. Adjustable shoulder strap, fold over tab with logo hardware at face, zip closure, patch pocket at interior, logo woven textile lining, brushed silver tone hardware, and it's just so cute. So they have, I think they have a bunch of colors now, but in the beginning it was basically the black one, or it was the taupe one, the taupe and black, and they have two sizes. They have a smaller mini size, and then they also have mine, which is kind of the bigger size, or the biggest, and also the medium, I'm assuming. So this is mine, is the medium or the bigger size, and I just think it's perfect. It actually carries so much. It's so cute. Everything about this bag is so cute. It's so Y2K. It's so street style. You can literally dress this up, you can really make this either very tomboy or very girly girl, or very Y2K. It just all depends on how you style it, and I'm obsessed with this bag. I brought it with me on vacation. I brought it to Dominican when I went last year, and it just fit the vibe so well, guys. So yeah. But yeah, this actually can fit a lot. It can fit my phone, it can fit my wallet, it can fit a lip gloss, powder, and keys. This is, the bigger size, obviously. I'll be linking a couple of these bags in the description box for easy reference, guys. Don't worry. But I don't know how much the smaller one fits, because this bag is pretty low key. I don't see a lot of these reviews on social media, but I'm assuming the small one can only probably fit some makeup. That's why I decided to finally opt for the bigger size in this bag. Also, guys, just a little plug and a side note, if you guys are interested in these nails, these really cute press-on nails, stay tuned. I'm selling them. Or you can DM my nail business, small nail business Instagram. Look at how cute these are. So if you're interested, let me know. But anyways, going back to this bag, the strap is also very thick. Just some details that I want to talk about with this bag. First of all, the strap is very thick, so it's super comfortable to wear, and you don't feel like it's gonna rip off, It's leather, plus the canvas, it's so nice. And then, everything just feels very expensive about this bag. This little logo patch at the front of the M is just a very sturdy material, it feels like. So I love it so much. I feel the taupe one, it's very obvious and in your face. So if you do want something a little bit more low key, not flashy, I guess, I think the black is an amazing option. Look at it. It's so classy and so cute. Very good representation of the brand. So I love the black. They also have so many colors now, which again, I'll be linking a couple of, the crazy colors that they released, but they have a hot pink, they have a brown one. I think they have a denim one too. Just a lot of these very popular Y2K you know, trendy aspects that they're pulling into their pieces. I love how they're just like incorporating the vintage kind of side into their very cool brand. So yeah, I mean, all in all, like I love Misbhv so much. You guys know I have like their tank top, I have their necklace, I have their pants. Like I love it. I love Misbhv. I just love all of their designs so much. Very Y2K, just some of my favorite trends fit into a brand, and it's M. So yeah, I mean, what else, guys? Another thing that I love, again, all their stuff is in silver. I just think that like silver is very cool. Like, yeah, gold is classy, but I don't know, I've always been into silver, and I feel like the shift from like gold to silver has been really big in this past year. Like so many people have been switching into like silver girlies, which I'm here for it. So all of Misbhv's bags are with silver hardware. The brushed silver, you know, looks so expensive and so cool and so nice. It's very young. Like I feel like sometimes gold can come off a little bit like, you know, older. So if you're into this kind of silver cool girl vibe, I say hands down, just go for these. So cute. And I just feel like this is such a summery bag. Like that's why, you know, I got it in the winter last year, 2022. Canadian winters are so long and cold, so I brought it with me on vacation to like a warm tropical Caribbean place and just fit the vibes. So guys, this is the perfect time to buy this bag right now because it's, you know, we're heading into summer. We're gonna be wearing super cute tank tops, super cute dresses. So it's time to get a summer bag. And I say the 2023 summer bag is gonna be the Misbhv Monogram because they're just so cute. Just wear it on your shoulder, obviously not crossbody, so it's got like a very vintage vibe because of like the shoulder bag trend that's been in the past couple of years. So yeah, obsessed, guys. All right, guys, that is pretty much all I have to say about the Misbhv medium size monochrome mini bag. I love it so much, or shoulder bag. I love it so much. It's so cute, and you can definitely check me out on like my Instagram to see like pictures of this bag, I guess. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you all if you made it to the end. Again, don't forget to check me out on my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below. I will also have a bunch of links to this bag style, you know, different colors, different sizes in the description box. So that's easy for you guys to find. And also please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy my bag mini reviews. And if you want me to film more of them. I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.